Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Facts I Guy. Today I am Shopnil with you again. As you know, I am Shan's younger brother and I am 12 years old now. Today we will discuss about a very strange force which is called magnetism. So let's start. What is magnetism? A substance that attracts only objects made of either iron, nickel, steel or cobalt is called magnet. The force exerted by a magnet is called magnetism, which means that the substance which attracts those objects is called magnet, but the force exerted by it on those objects is called magnetism. As you all know, a magnet has two different poles. One is north pole and another is south pole. As you know that if an object made of iron, nickel, steel or cobalt, any of them, if it comes closer to a magnet, it will only attract it, but it doesn't. There are two different forces of magnetism, so let's know about both of them. First is force of attraction. If you take two magnets, the two unlike poles, means one magnet's north pole and another magnet's south pole, or one magnet's south pole, another magnet's north pole, if those unlike poles are bring closer to them, they attract each other. This is called force of attraction. Now another force is force of repulsion. It means that take two magnet again, bring two like poles. Now means two magnets, both magnets north pole bring together close, or two magnets south pole bring them close, they will repulse, means they will, if you take them close, they will move far away from them, means they repel them. This is called force of repulsion. I think I have made you understood it well. Now what is magnetic field? Many of you don't know this also. The simple meaning of it is the region around a magnet where its influence is being felt. That region is called magnetic field. I think you are understood. Now what is demagnetizing? The magnetic property of a magnet can be destroyed, which is called demagnetizing. By which ways can a magnet be demagnetized? Let us know about that. Magnets can be demagnetized by handling roughly, hammering it violently several times, dropping it from a much height many times, heating it in a high temperature can lead demagnetization of a magnet. Now we will discuss about a very important, crucial thing that is called electromagnetism. It's very hard for me also to understand, but its simple meaning is electromagnetic force that occurs between electrically charged particles is called electromagnetism. I think I have understood you well the theory of magnetism. If you like this video, please click the thumb button, share this with your friends and family members for their knowledge also, and subscribe this channel if you want more science related videos. If you have any query, write in the chat box without any hesitation. My elder brother will try to solve them. And thank you.